Welcome, dear student, to an exploration of the fascinating world of personality assessment tools. Just as a naturalist ventures into a diverse ecosystem teeming with life, we embark on a journey into the complex landscape of the human mind. Today we delve into the methods researchers and clinicians use to understand the intricate tapestry of human personality. Like delicate instruments used to study the natural world, these tools offer glimpses into the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make each individual unique. Over the course of our exploration, we will uncover the strengths and limitations of each approach, appreciating the multifaceted nature of this field of study. Our journey begins with self-report inventories, perhaps the most common type of personality assessment. Imagine, if you will, a questionnaire presented to you, inviting you to reflect on your own characteristics. These inventories typically consist of a series of statements or questions, carefully crafted to assess various personality traits. Participants are asked to rate the degree to which they agree or disagree with each statement, providing a snapshot of their self-perceived personality. These inventories, much like a census in the animal kingdom, allow researchers to collect vast amounts of data efficiently. One well-known example is the Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory, or MMPI, a comprehensive tool used to assess a wide range of personality traits and potential psychological difficulties. Another familiar example is the Big Five personality test, which focuses on 5 broad dimensions of personality: openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. While self-report inventories offer valuable insights, it's important to remember that individuals may not always have perfect self-awareness. Like animals adapting their behavior in the presence of an observer, individuals may consciously or unconsciously present themselves in a favorable light. Venturing deeper into our exploration, we encounter projective tests, which take a more indirect approach to understanding personality. Imagine being presented with an ambiguous image, such as an inkblot, and asked to describe what you see. This, in essence, is the principle behind the Rorschach Inkblot test, one of the most well-known projective tests. The idea is that individuals will project their own thoughts, feelings, and motivations onto the ambiguous stimuli, revealing hidden aspects of their personality. Another example is the Thematic Apperception test, or TAT, in which individuals are shown a series of ambiguous pictures and asked to create stories about them. These narratives, much like the intricate webs spun by spiders, can provide clues about an individual's unconscious thoughts, needs, and conflicts. Projective tests, while intriguing, rely heavily on the interpretation of trained professionals. The subjective nature of these tests has led to some debate about their reliability and validity, with some researchers questioning whether they truly measure what they claim to measure. Our expedition now takes us into the realm of behavioral assessments, where the focus shifts from self-reported thoughts and feelings to directly observable actions. Just as a naturalist patiently observes animal behavior in the wild, clinicians use behavioral assessments to understand how individuals interact with their environment. One common method is direct observation, where trained observers carefully watch and record an individual's behavior in a specific setting. This could involve observing a child's behavior in a classroom, for example, or an employee's performance in the workplace. Another approach is the use of behavioral checklists, which provide a structured way to gather information about an individual's behavior from multiple sources. For instance, the Child Behavior Checklist, or CBCL, is a widely used checklist completed by parents or teachers to assess a child's behavioral and emotional problems. Behavioral assessments offer valuable insights into how personality manifests in everyday life, providing a more objective measure of behavior compared to self-report inventories. However, it's important to remember that behavior can be influenced by a multitude of factors, including the specific situation and the people present. Our exploration of personality assessment tools would be incomplete without considering the role of interviews. Imagine sitting down with a skilled interviewer, someone trained to listen attentively and delve into the intricacies of your life story. Interviews, whether structured or semi-structured, provide a rich source of information about an individual's personality, life experiences, and personal history. Structured interviews, like the Structured Clinical Interview for DSM, SCID, follow a predetermined set of questions, ensuring consistency in data collection. Semi-structured interviews, on the other hand, allow for more flexibility, allowing the interviewer to follow the individual's lead and explore topics in greater depth. Life story interviews, for example, encourage individuals to share their life experiences, providing valuable insights into their values, beliefs, and coping mechanisms. Interviews offer a unique opportunity to gather in-depth information and explore the nuances of an individual's personality. However, it's important to remember that interviews rely on the individual's willingness to share personal information, and the quality of the data can be influenced by factors such as the interviewer's skills and the rapport established. As we near the end of our journey, we arrive at peer and observer ratings, recognizing that our understanding of an individual's personality is enriched by the perspectives of those around them. Humans navigate the world through interactions with others. Peer and observer ratings involve gathering information about an individual's personality from people who know them well, such as family members, friends, or colleagues. These ratings can provide valuable insights into an individual's social behavior, interpersonal style, and overall functioning in various domains of life. One example of this approach is 360-degree feedback, commonly used in organizational settings to gather feedback from an individual's supervisor, peers, and subordinates. By obtaining perspectives from multiple sources, a more comprehensive and well-rounded picture of the individual emerges. Peer and observer ratings offer a valuable complement to self-report measures, providing a more objective view of an individual's personality as perceived by others. However, it's important to consider potential biases, as ratings can be influenced by the observer's own perspectives and relationship with the individual being rated. By employing a combination of these methods, researchers and clinicians can gain a more nuanced view of personality traits and their implications for behavior and mental health. Just as a social psychologist uses a variety of methods to study human behavior in social settings, understanding human personality requires a multifaceted approach. Each assessment tool offers a unique lens through which to view the intricate tapestry of human personality, providing valuable insights into the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make each individual unique. By appreciating the strengths and limitations of each approach, we can strive for a more complete understanding of the human experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the tools that unlock the secrets of our personalities. May our exploration inspire continued curiosity and appreciation for the complexities of the human mind.